I'm often asked what bed would be best for a person with scoliosis, and the answer is a firm bed with a pillow top. Now, I think Sleep Number, that works very good because you can control the firmness of the bed. I think a memory foam like a Tempur-Pedic can be excellent for a person with scoliosis. The real important question also is, what about a person with a brace? Because I find that sometimes people, when they're sleeping in a brace, will complain that the brace is pushing into them. So I have a very simple solution for that. I say go get a mattress topper, a 2-inch memory foam topper that goes on top of the mattress and under the sheet. This allows the person to sink down a little bit into the bed, takes the pressure off of them when they're in the brace, and they can sleep comfortably in a brace. Thanks for watching. I hope you found all this information helpful. Please subscribe if you'd like to have more information about scoliosis, and don't forget to hit the bell. That'll alert you whenever we publish new information. And if you've got any questions, write them in the comments field, and I'm going to make sure to address them in a future video. Thanks for watching.